It's not going anywhere. Gidiba. Like, this is gidiba on my head.
Ooh, Lex, only been a week or so, trying to find love in the city of gold. Chic as fuck, they, oh my god, killing me to death.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So since you guys liked the previous video I did on how to make a headband wig, I decided to do an updated video with the sewing method instead of gluing down like what I did in the previous video. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I know you're going to like it, I know. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'm always ready to answer them. If anything, I'm always too ready to answer them. So just keep on watching and you'll see everything I did and the final results. So the first thing you're going to need is your dummy head, and this is the choice of wig cap I'm using today. That is because we're using this cap, I would have to cut off some excess pieces, which I honestly don't want to do, and I had this cap lying around. I feel like this particular type of cap just makes it easier. That's not to say that you cannot use this type. You can use this type. As you saw in the previous video, I used something similar to this, like the dome cap but the mesh of it. But I would say if you're using this kind of cap, a dome cap, either like a thick spandex cap or the mesh type, you should use a metallic Sharpie, something like a marker. You could use tailored chalk or just something lighter to make the lines to mark your tracks for sewing your weft down. Next, I have the headband. I got this from the dollar store. It comes in a pack of 3 and it was $1.25 Canadian dollars. But I don't know if I can link where I got it from the dollar store. So I'm going to leave a link from Amazon in the description. And then of course you're going to have your weft. My mom got it from me back home from Nigeria from a beauty supply store. So I did not get it from any hair company, for anyone that's wondering. It's not human hair and it's not 100% synthetic either. It's kind of like Remy hair and it's in 24 inches. What I like is that the texture is kind of similar to when your natural hair but blown out or relaxed. So 4C, is it 4C? The way 4C hair is when it's blown out. It's not exactly kinky straight, but it's close. So I kind of like that. I also have my pair of scissors. You always need a pair of scissors. Please don't try and finesse it. Then of course, since I'm using the sewing method, I have my thread and needles. A velcro for the headband part, like a fastening to make sure it's secure. I honestly wish this was a bit bigger. Oh, this is what I could find at home. I have some clips. This is very optional. You can decide to add clips or not. I don't think I'm going to be adding in this tutorial, but of course you guys will know when I'm done. Right now I'm just going to show you how I attach the velcro to the headband, then I'm going to start sewing the wig. So I'm going to be using the black headband just because everything I'm working with is black. I feel like it's better to use the same color of what you're working with for the headbands. Same. I'm going to rip it open and then attach the velcro. I'm trying to make this as neat as possible. Like, I don't just want to tear it apart, but at the same time I'm just going to be following the same line that like it was sewn on, just to try and make it as neat as possible. Now we have like our headband. That's great, we're going somewhere. And I'm just going to go ahead to attach the velcro. Velcro comes in 2 parts, this part and this part. So when you put it together like this, honestly I feel like you can use any other thing. It doesn't have to be velcro. I've seen videos where people have used bra straps as the headband, plastic. You just need a system that 2 parts are involved, 1 hooks and 1 closes for fastening. So you can use any other fastening system that can be applicable to this. Just improvise, be creative. That's the point. That's the point of not buying it and making it yourself, because you want to save money and you want to improvise and be creative. Now that I'm done with sewing it down, and this is what it looks like, I'm just going to go ahead to the other part of the headband and sew the other part of the velcro down. Then I'm going to start making the wig. If you're confused about how to sew this down, you could use a running stitch, you could use like a loop stitch. Like, it's the same way that you would sew down your bundles, and I have other videos that I'm going to link to this video where I showed you how to sew down bundles. For the other part of the velcro, I'm going to start sewing it from the very end, just because I already sewed this part away from the end. Like the way belt, yes! Like the way a belt has different holes to adjust to different sizes. That's the point of making this part longer. And because I sewed this part of the velcro on this side, on this inside, I'm going to have to sew the other side of the velcro in the opposite direction, just so it can overlap. This is how it's here. I'm going to have to fold this over and sew the other part of the velcro here, so it can overlap. I'm done sewing it down. So it's like this headband. You want to be careful so like you don't make it too tight, but at the same time not too loose.
Like a scene from a movie screen, beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got glass. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. See, you gotta keep my shades on, cause she's some good kush. Hit me too strong. She just sipping champagne and got me so gone. Shawty with the attitude, she got it going on. Like the cute ass with the velvet on. Hair flowing back, no makeup on. Been looking for somebody like you too long. So I made you fall in love before the end of this song. Lingerie all the way, you know what I say. Give me that good in the city today. Sitting rooftop, blue sky, whiskey on the rocks. Time going by, ain't looking at the watch. You ain't like a dove in the flock. When I kiss your lips, my whole world stops. If you really wanna, I can take it from the top. If that's what I gotta do to get you on my beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got glass. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. Take you to another sector. You and I is the only answer. You so fine, you're divine. You stop all space and time. When I look into those eyes, you are where my future lies. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got glass. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. With the fashion sense of a goddess. She a bad bitch with the finest, the hottest. Cool cat, she just pipe it down so exotic. Sex machine, I swear was robotic. I like it when she speak, but let's stop by the talking. Like Red Fool, I'ma get this party rocking. Classic kind of chick, yeah, you know what I mean. Looking like a scene from a movie screen. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got glass. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. See, you gotta keep my shades on, cause she's some good kush. Hit me too strong. She just sipping champagne and got me so gone. Shawty with the attitude, she got it going on. Like the cute ass with the velvet on. Hair flowing back, no makeup on. Been looking for somebody like you too long. So I made you fall in love before the end of this song. Lingerie all the way, you know what I say. Give me that good in the city today. Sitting rooftop, blue sky, whiskey on the rocks. Time going by, ain't looking at the watch. You ain't like a dove in the flock. When I kiss your lips, my whole world stops. If you really wanna, I can take it from the top. If that's what I gotta do to get you on my beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl. That ruined my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. Under pressure, take you to another sector. You with her is the only answer. You so fine, you divine, you strong.
I'm done with the wig. It took me about 3 hours to finish the whole thing, and that was because I was playing music. I was busting some non-existent moves. I'm saying this because you do need to take your time and just get it right the first time. Just take your time and do it. It can get very boring, like doing it over and over, but just, you know, chill. So this is what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like when it's on my head. I did not put clips in this just because I feel like with the elastic it's already secure enough, and then the type of cap I used, it already had those extra elastic straps at the back to secure it. I sewed the last strap very close to the headband, but not on the headband. I know that may be a bit difficult to see because both of them are black, the thread is black, so there's no contrast. I'm just going to do my makeup and then I'll put this on and show you what it looks like. It's what the finished look is like. This is what it looks like, and I'm hyping myself up. I'm really loving it, and I really like the fact that it's long. Keep touching my head. Anytime I have a new piece of hair, a wig, hairdo, anything, I'm always touching my head. What do you do if you don't have front hair, if you don't have edges? And I honestly don't really have edges. I just made do with what's the little that is left. If you're like me, or worse than me, and you actually have no edges left, you could just wear it, could drag it, just like drag it all the way back. Like, you don't need to do baby hair with a headband wig. You could drag it all the way back, so it's somewhere here, or tie a scarf. I suck at tying scarves, but I hope you're better than me. Whichever that you're comfortable with. You can see how firm this thing is. It's not going anywhere, which is why I prefer using this particular cap. Gidiba. Like, this is gidiba on my head. Yeah, and that is it. It was super easy to do, and trust me, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Just take your time. Please subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions at all relating to this in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this video, if it was helpful, if you're going to try it out, and be sure to tag me if you do try it out. Turn on your notification icon bell thing. It's there. Please turn it on so you'll be aware whenever a new video is out from me. If you watched my previous video on this, oh my god, there's a lot of things. And if just let's chat, please. Let's chat. Like, I love talking with you guys. I genuinely do. I enjoy chatting with you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.